Hello my creators, today we are going to make hanging ball. For that you require some coloring paper, Fevicol, scissor, rounder, pencil, sharpener ribbon and scale. Let's start the video. Now fold the paper from the center like this and now take a rounder. Take 7 cm. Now make a circle on a paper and after that you have to cut that. Once you complete cutting, you will get 2 circles like this. Now take one circle, we will start folding work. Now fold it from the center and again one more folding from the center. Like this you have to divide your circle in a 4 part. Now open it. The 3 embossed line which is coming up, from there you have to start sticking like this. Line to line. You have to fold your paper inside like this. Now similarly you have to stick another one line like this. So in short you have to stick twice. Like this you have to make a 5 petals ready. I will show you one more time. Like this you have to make your 5 petals ready. Now it will start joining. You have to hold it something like this. Thumb part will be up and finger from the down for the support. Like this you have to check the center also. As I told you, you don't have to leave your center. From the beginning till the end, I am not moving my thumb and the finger which I am taking for the support. Now once you complete the 5 petal sticking, you have to hold for the minute. Like this you require the 4 and 5 flowers. You can take a different color also, you can go for the same color also. Now we will start making the balls for joining this all flower together. Similarly, as you stick the petals together, you have to stick the flowers also together for making the ball. So like this, after one by one you have to start sticking a flower. One more thing, I am using a 4 flower here. If you want to use the 5th one, you can use it, but normally it is complete in a 4 flower. Now we are going to stick the last one. As I told you, 5th flower is the option, so if you want to use it, you can. Now at the last we are going to use a sharpener ribbon for hanging. Between the 2 flowers, whenever you get a space, you have to stick the sharpener ribbon, something like this. So here is your hanging ball is ready. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Mail your picture. Thank you.